So we'll start with a slip knot and chain 4. One double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. Another double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. We need to make it 6 times total, including the initial chain 3, which is considered as a double crochet. So double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and the last one, and join to the beginning chain 3. First round completed. So this is the first space, the previous chain 3 and the double crochet. What I'm gonna do is chain 3, chain 4. So it's a double crochet with a chain 1, double crochet, and again double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So the V stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and in between there is no space or chain 1. So this is a double V stitch in one space, and that's what I'm gonna do for this entire round. In every space is a double V stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and we repeat in the same space, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, until the end of the round. And the last space, same thing. And join to the beginning chain 4. This is how it looks so far. Now we're gonna start alternating the V stitches. So to keep the round flat, what we will do, in the first space I will make a double V stitch, in the next space I will make a single V stitch, and I will alternate one double V and one single V. So to increase the circle, make it bigger, and then keep it flat in the same time. So I will chain 4. So as we said, 4 is the chain 1 and a double crochet, and I will make in the same space one double crochet and another V stitch. So double V stitch. In the next space, which is this one, I will make a single V stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and I will repeat in the next space double V stitch, which is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again in the same space double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. and a single V-stitch in the next space. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. I will do the same till the end of the round, alternating. And I'm at the end of the round, and I will join to the top, chain 3. And this is how it looks so far. So till the end of my project, what I will do, I will increase the number of single V-stitch in each round by 1. Means this round we did in one space double V-stitch, in the next space single V-stitch. Now in the next round we will do double V-stitch in one space and a single V-stitch in the next 2 spaces, and the round after will be double V-stitch in one space, single V-stitch in the next 3 spaces, and so on until I get the width required of the project. So if you ever get confused, check the written pattern and follow together with the video so you understand fully how to work it and how to make it right. Again, chain 4 and a double V-stitch in the first space. In the next space, single V-stitch. In the next space again, single V-stitch. In the next space, double V-stitch. So we're increasing the single V-stitch by 1 in every round. So here I'm done with my both pieces, and now I'm gonna join everything together with the tapestry needle before I fill the inside of the pillow. So the outer side facing me and the second outer side is behind. I'm gonna join the stitches together, and then we're gonna work through both loops. So join the yarn, we're gonna secure it first, and then we're gonna work back and forth. So one on this side, and one on this side throughout the work. And later I will fill it with either fiber fill, cotton, or if you have a round pillow with the same size or any size of your choice. I'll finish stitching and then I'll come back and show you the final result. And this is the final look of the pillow after stitching and filling the pillow cover. Very simple and easy, medium size, not small, not big, perfect for any couch. You can customize it, make it bigger or smaller depending how many rounds you want, but this is the size I decided to have for this tutorial. I hope the tutorial was clear and easy to follow. Check the written pattern for all the details of the sizing, the materials and everything else. And as always, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.